To start with, I would like to quote Amir Khusru. I may not be pronouncing it correctly. It is famously said about Kashmir. Gar bar ruhe firdos ast kahin ast. Hameen ast o hameen ast o hameen ast. Which means that if on the face of earth there is paradise, it's here, it's here, it's here. And he had said that when he visited Kashmir. And I would like to say that for Kaivalya Dham. It's been a great time here, and I wish I had come here earlier, much earlier. Perhaps it's better late than never. And I do hope to be coming back frequently here, at least once in 6 months. And I have requested Shri Subodh Tiwari ji to push me and remind me of this, because I have made this commitment to him. I came here, I should have come here a long time back. I came here because I did not come here earlier. Though I had a golden opportunity, as I spent nearly 4 years as an under trainee at the naval base INS Shivaji here close by. Thereafter I commanded Shivaji in 2007 and 2008, when I had come over to Kaivalya Dham. But I met the Swamiji, and it is that I think life was too busy. I needed to have taken off some time. So that is a big lament I have. It is thanks to Shri Subodh ji and Brigadier Dharmadhikari, who happens to be my senior from school and the academy and the service, and a fine gentleman, and he is from the same place that I am, and also we have been in touch, and that's the reason why I came back here a couple of times, and finally I have been able to visit this place. Like my wife and daughter always tell me, Baba, or whatever it is, you have abused your body and mind far too much. I have to somehow, with a shamed face, admit it. I have multiple problems. Of course, I do not want to recount like an old man ranting off a long list. But yes, I have multiple disc problems. So I have tried everything. Allopathic physiotherapy, acupressure, acupuncture, you name it. One of my friend's wife, who has done advanced course from here, and the great yoga teacher, Mrs. Meena Bhokre, she tells me, I think you are going around on a yoga shopping. You are enjoying that shopping. The sort of holistic treatment and support that you get in Kaivalya Dham, I doubt if anyone can get it anywhere else. Such beautiful environment, setting, so peaceful. At the same time, very reasonable and affordable. I would say this from personal experience, because I have tried out. One should not take names of organizations, because it will not be right. But yes, whether you name it as in Bangalore or maybe in down south near Coimbatore, or for that matter, very renowned place in Kerala, I feel that they are charging far too high. And I got into all these, but I got out because I felt that they were pushing too much to further their commercial interests. It is when I told what are the charges here, my friend said, how can that be possible? And I hope so. I am trying to motivate quite a few of them to try and come here. I am thankful to Shri Subodh Tiwari ji for getting me back here, Brigadier Suhad Dharmadhikari, and my single point of contact person has been Mrs. Rucha Thorat. She has given excellent support. Then Dr. Bhutada and Jagdish Bhutada and Dr. Guru Raj, assisted by Geetai. They have really looked after me very well. The therapist Rahul Bhalerao has also been excellent because I spent 12 sessions with him and more or less same with the doctors. The personal attention care is what actually makes you feel good. I remember when I did the Virechan, every half an hour we had one of these doctors or Gitai coming and checking me out. We had these people from the housekeeping and the canteen or mess coming across to check and see I am okay. I really felt drained out at the end of it, but with the support that was being given to me, I came out quite okay and it was better for me. The massages were excellent, all the treatments were great. So also the readings and diagnosis and the counseling that was done by all the doctors. And talking about the food here, it is so sattvic and nice because normally one feels that sattvic food can be boring. But it was really made good and so nutritious and so much of variety, starting from morning tea till dinner, breakfast, lunch, snacks and dinner. It was really tasty and wholesome. In fact, I have lost 4 kgs plus in this 6.5 days. I wish and I hope that I am able to sustain this. My aches and pains have reduced. It would be wrong to say that they are not there. One great thing that has happened is that my irritable bowel syndrome has gone off. I am getting better sleep. My blood pressure is down to normal for my age and height and weight. And I hope so that gradually with the help of Ayurveda and Kaivalya Dham, I should be able to get off it. My dream is to come back here. Ardent desire is to come back here 6 months, within 6 months and keep on coming back. And finally, when I hang up my boots, I am still sort of working for the government. I do want to come down here, do a long course, maybe 40 days or whatever is there to enable me to start giving back to the society because God, the nation, the Navy and the society have been very, very kind to me. And I feel it's time before the Parvardigar Almighty calls me up that I need to really give back. I have discussed with Shri O.P. Tiwari ji as also Shri Subodh Tiwari about what I felt about this place and also what my suggestions were. So this is my experience with Kaivalya Dham and I again finish off with a lament that Allah, Bhagwan, Ganpati Bappa, why did I not come here earlier? And mujhe subuddhi de कि I come back here soon and keep on coming back and try and give something back.